Hello and welcome to Indian Masterminds. I am Bhakti Kothari and today I bring you the story of a man who has spent nearly 4 decades preparing for one of the most demanding jobs in India. A fighter pilot, a flight instructor, a test pilot, a key figure in the Tejas program, and today the Chief of the Air Staff of the Indian Air Force. This is the story of Air Chief Marshal Amarpreet Singh. When Amarpreet Singh took over as the 28th Chief of the Air Staff in September 2024, it was much more than a ceremonial change of command. It marked the arrival of a leader whose career has been shaped by combat aviation, cutting-edge technology, aircraft development, and a deep belief in India's ability to build its own military strength. But before the medals, the ranks, and the responsibility of leading one of the world's largest air forces, there was a young boy growing up in Delhi with his eyes fixed firmly on the sky. Born on October 27, 1964 in New Delhi, Amarpreet Singh spent his early years far from public attention. Like countless young Indians inspired by the armed forces, he also chose a path that would demand discipline, courage, and sacrifice. That journey took him to the National Defence Academy and later the Air Force Academy, institutions that have produced some of India's finest military leaders. Then came a defining moment. On December 21, 1984, he was commissioned into the fighter stream of the Indian Air Force. It was the beginning of a remarkable career that would coincide with some of the most important developments in Indian military aviation. Now, becoming a fighter pilot is difficult enough, but Amarpreet Singh did not stop there. Over the years, he logged more than 5,000 flying hours on both fixed-wing and rotary-wing aircraft. He became a qualified flying instructor responsible for shaping the next generation of pilots. And then came one of the toughest assignments in military aviation, becoming an experimental test pilot. Think about what that means. While most pilots fly aircraft that are already proven, test pilots fly aircraft at the edge of their capabilities. They evaluate new systems, identify weaknesses, test performance limits, and help determine whether an aircraft is truly ready for service. It is a role that demands technical knowledge, confidence, and the ability to make critical decisions in seconds. And that expertise would soon place Amarpreet Singh at the heart of one of India's most ambitious aviation projects, the Tejas program. At a time when India was working to develop its own modern fighter aircraft, Amarpreet Singh became deeply involved in the Light Combat Aircraft program. As project director for flight testing at the National Flight Test Center, he played a significant role in evaluating and validating the aircraft. For years, Tejas represented India's dream of building a homegrown fighter jet capable of serving the nation's defense needs. But before it could join operational squadrons, it had to prove itself. And officers like Amarpreet Singh were among the selected few responsible for ensuring that it did. His experience with Tejas gave him a close view of the challenges of indigenous defense manufacturing and strengthened his conviction that India must build and sustain its own military capabilities. But his journey was not limited to Indian projects alone. At one stage, he was sent to Moscow, where he headed the MiG-29 upgrade project management team. This was a crucial assignment. The MiG-29 remains one of the Indian Air Force's important fighter platforms, and modernizing it required technical expertise, international coordination, and project management skills. The assignment exposed him to a global defense collaboration and large-scale aerospace programs, adding another important dimension to his career. Back in India, he steadily climbed through the ranks. He commanded an operational fighter squadron, he led a frontline air base, he served as the air defense commander in the strategically important Southwestern Air Command, and later, he became senior air staff officer at Eastern Air Command, a region critical to India's security calculations. With every appointment, his responsibilities grew larger. These were not just leadership positions. They were opportunities to understand air defense, operational readiness, force planning, logistics, and the challenges facing India's security environment. By 2022, he was entrusted with the leadership of Central Air Command as Air Officer Commanding-in-Chief. Soon after came another responsibility. He was appointed Vice Chief of the Air Staff. At this level, He found himself at the center of discussions involving modernization, aircraft acquisitions, capability development, and future planning for the Indian Air Force. During this period, he also became known for his straightforward views on defense projects and timelines. His message was clear: India's military ambitions must be supported by timely delivery and effective execution. Then came the moment that defined the culmination of 4 decades of service. On September 30, 2024, Air Chief Marshal Amarpreet Singh assumed office as the Chief of the Air Staff. The fighter pilot who once tested aircraft performance was now responsible for shaping the future of Indian air power. Today, he leads an Air Force operating in an increasingly complex security environment while pursuing modernization and self-reliance. His priorities reflect the experiences of his career: operational readiness, technological advancement, indigenous capability, and closer integration among India's armed forces. And beyond the uniform, Amarpreet Singh has largely kept his personal life away from public attention. He is married to Sarita Singh and is the father of a son and a daughter. Away from professional responsibilities, he enjoys playing squash. His distinguished service has earned him two of India's highest peacetime military honors, the Param Vishisht Seva Medal and the Ati Vishisht Seva Medal. But perhaps his greatest contribution lies elsewhere. He belongs to a generation of military leaders that has witnessed India's transformation from a largely import-dependent defense force to a nation increasingly focused on building its own capabilities. From the flight testing halls of Tejas to the office of the Chief of the Air Staff, Amarpreet Singh's journey mirrors India's own rise in military aviation. And as he leads the Indian Air Force into a new era, that story is still unfolding. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Indian Masterminds for more inspiring journey of India's changemakers. Thank you for watching. I am Bhakti Kothari and I'll see you in the next story.